Hi everyone. So today I will be speaking of one of the most known guardian spirits between the Yucatec Maya people of northern Belize, which is the Nukuch Tat, also known as Yuum Taata Balames, Taata Duendes, or Dueños del Monte. And yes, they are not one, there are many of them. Those that take care of the forest are known as Yuum Balamo'ob. Those that take care of the milpa are known as Yuum Balamo'ob, and those that take care of the villages and towns are known as Yuum Balamo'ob. So these are guardian spirits, good spirits that manifestate themselves through wind and whistle. They rarely appear physically, but those that have had the privilege describe these spirits as looking as old Maya men, wrinkled face with long white beards, a hat made of palm leaves, dressed with a white tunic, or dressed as a Maya milpero, the way how our grandparents used to dress. They are described as being around 3 to 4 feet tall. They can transform into different animals, people that you know, and even create illusions. Now, they are the guardians of the forest, of the people, of the animals, of villages. So their job is to protect. The Mayan elders, before going to the bush, they always used to ask permission to the Yuum Balamo'ob. And they did this by putting an offering of sakab. The Yuum Balamo'ob would give them protection when they go to the bush, protection from snakes, from jaguars, from bad spirits, and even people that would want to harm them. So that is the job of the Yuum Balamo'ob. They are believed to have existed even before humanity was created. They are the ones that maintain the balance between humanity and nature. So for the Yucatec Maya, the Yuum Balamo'ob or Taata Duendes are not just stories for children. For us, they are important Maya guardian spirits. They have a more important spiritual role as guardian spirits. So they are seen as a kind of deities. And they are still important for the contemporary Maya when they do their milpa, or when they do sugar cane, or when they will walk in any bush. They always ask permission to the Yuum Balamo'ob, to the Taata Balames. Yuum Balamo'ob.